Find or read reviews that people are talking for DoCred double camping chair, oversized love seat, camping chairs for adults heavy duty, camping couch, folding chair patio supports up to 700 pounds. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Sturdy construction. The double camping chair features robust 600D Oxford fabric that's tear resistant, complemented by ABS tube sleeves and reinforced stitching for enhanced durability. Its steel frame and solid leg supports ensure stability, capable of holding up to 700 pounds, comfortably accommodating 2 adults for extended use. Comfortable love seat. Designed with breathable PP cotton, this picnic camping chair offers silent seating and optimal comfort. Its elevated height design improves leg comfort during relaxation. Easy organization. Equipped with 2 wine glass holders, 2 Cuban pesos holders, side pockets, this portable camping chair ensures convenient outdoor enjoyment with easy access to essentials and storage for magazines or supplies. Lightweight and portable. Folding effortlessly within seconds to a compact size of 36 x 7.9 inch and weighing 12 pounds, it includes a lashing strap for secure closure and a storage bag for convenient transport. Oversized folding chair. Unfolding to 44.5 x 17.5 x 36 inch, total height, /17 inch, chair height, the large foldable camp chair accommodates 2 adults comfortably. Wider leg and side armrests alleviate pressure, enhancing overall relaxation and comfort. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.